Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a comforting Asian-style home-cooked dinner made right in my kitchen. On the menu tonight we have Tom Yum chicken soup, BBQ chicken wings, stir-fried cabbage with pork served with steamed rice. This is a simple, delicious meal that's full of flavor and perfect for a cozy dinner at home. Let's get started. Before cooking, one important tip I always follow is to wash and clean all vegetables, meat, and ingredients thoroughly. Good preparation makes cooking safer and more enjoyable. Another tip to cook faster and easier is knowing exactly what ingredients you'll need for each dish and having everything ready before you start cooking. This small step saves time and keeps the cooking process smooth and stress-free. I started with the Tom Yum chicken soup since it takes a little time to develop flavor. First, bring a pot of water to a boil. Then add your herbs and aromatics, lemongrass, ginger, galangal. If you have Kaffir lime leaves, you can add them too. I didn't have any this time, but the soup is still very fragrant without them. Next, season the broth with chicken bouillon, chicken salt, a little MSG optional, a small amount of sugar for balance. Add the chicken pieces and let everything simmer gently. While the soup is cooking, remember to taste and adjust as needed. Later, I added lime juice, fish sauce, sliced tomatoes, green onions. Once the flavor is balanced, sour, savory, and comforting, lower the heat and let the soup gently simmer. While the soup is cooking, I move on to preparing the BBQ chicken wings. For the marinade, I use salt, black pepper, fresh garlic, fish sauce, MSG optional, a little sugar, garlic powder for extra aroma. Mix everything well with the chicken wings, making sure each piece is evenly coated. Place them on a tray and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes or longer if you have time. While waiting, don't forget to start cooking your rice, so everything is ready at the same time. Once the chicken wings are ready, cook them in the oven at a low broil until they are golden brown, juicy, and fragrant. Next, let's cook the stir-fried cabbage with pork. Heat a pan over medium heat and add cooking oil. I used olive oil, but any cooking oil works. Add fresh garlic, pork slices. Stir fry until the pork is partially cooked. Then add a little water to help it cook evenly. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon, MSG optional. Once the pork is cooked, add the cabbage and stir well so every piece is coated with sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Finish by adding tomatoes, green onions. Stir briefly, then turn off the heat. Cabbage should be tender but still fresh. At this point, everything is ready. The Tom Yum chicken soup is hot and flavorful. The barbecue chicken wings are golden and juicy. The stir-fried cabbage with pork is fresh and savory. And the rice is perfectly cooked. Now it's time to serve and enjoy this homemade Asian-style dinner. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me and found this meal simple, comforting, and delicious. If you like home-cooked meals and Asian-style recipes, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty dishes. Until next time, happy cooking, take care, and enjoy your meal.